What animal is this? Zebra. What animal is this? Goat. What animal is this? Cat. What animal is this? Dog. Dog and cat. Which one can climb? Cat. I am a king of the forest. What animal am I? Lion. What animal is this? Fire ant. What animal is this? Pig. What do we call baby pigs? Piglets. What animal is this? Fish. What kind of animal is the chick? Chicken. What animal is this? Elephant. What animal is this? Cow. What animal is eating flowers? Sheep. What do sheep give us? Lamb and wool. Is the seahorse a fish or a horse? A fish. What animal is the biggest? Elephant. Which shrimp, crab, snail, or octopus can draw ashore? Crab and snail. Which one is a meat eater, a zebra or a wolf? Wolf. What do we call a baby duck? A duckling. What bird is seen as a symbol of peace? A dove. Turtle or tortoise? Which one can swim? Turtle. Which of the caramel or camel can drink water? Camel. Of the following animals, which animal says oink oink? Pig. Is it a shark or dolphin? Dolphin. What does a caterpillar change into? A. A cat. B. A butterfly. C. A chick. B. A butterfly. What kind of cat is considered bad luck? Black cat. What animal has the head of a mouse and a body of a bird? Bat. This bird called parrot. Which one is the name of an animal? Caramel or camel? Camel.